Hi, I'm here today to demo for you our innovative feature called the QuickList. Simply put, the QuickList allows the user to select all the exhibitors that they want to visit, and then the app will route them around the show floor using what we call best path routing. This feature can be set up at no additional cost in all of our apps. This is such an easy tool to use, and it can save users tons of time in an event. Let me show you how it works. We'll start by going to the Exhibitors tab, and we're going to select a list of exhibitors that we'd like to go visit. And let's pretend that these exhibitors are ones that we're going to be using for our upcoming event that we're going to be holding in Baltimore next month. So we'll start out by searching for Core Apps because we know they have the best mobile app and event management software. And now we've added them to the quick list by tapping on the star. The user, the first time they open up the app, they get a little contextual help tutorial telling them when they tap on the star that this adds them to their favorites and to the quick list. So we've added them to our quick list. Now, let's add Jay Spargo because they're going to do our registration and housing. And next, let's add Freeman because they're going to be our general contractors. And last, let's go ahead and add Baltimore because we're going to hold our event at their convention center. So now that we've built our list on the exhibitors that we want to see, let's head out to the quick list itself and let's let it route us around the floor. As you can see here, 4 out of 4 booths to visit. So we'll tap on that. Now notice that what it's done is it's actually put these in a particular order based on the starting point that I've already selected. But I'm going to select a new starting point. I'm going to say that I'm in the back of the hall instead of the front of the hall at Cordell Racing. Notice what it's done. It's changed the best path routing for me to start visiting my first booth at Freeman and then Core Apps. Let's see how it works. If I tap on route here, it's now giving me green arrows directly down to the Freeman booth. Notice that my route stayed within the halls and not through a particular booth. One of the other great things about this quick list is it also allows me to check off the booths that I visited. So now I can check off Freeman. And next, let's route to Core Apps. See how quick this happens? I'm going from Freeman to Core Apps here. I'll check them off that I visited them. Next, let's go to Jay Spargo. I'll check them off that I visited them. And then lastly, let's go see Baltimore. And I'll check them off that I visited them. One of the great things about this feature is it's best path routing, and it helps you achieve the best direction for visiting exhibitors that you want to see. For someone who has limited time, this could be a real godsend. And if I change my starting point, you notice that it changed that around. So even if I'm in the middle of doing this, and visiting these booths and I want to add a few extra exhibitors that I want to see, it will change everything up and still continue to route me the best path. There are many ways to use this feature in conjunction with some of our other features. For example, let's say that you want to start with the Expo map instead of the Exhibitors tab. So I'm going to go right up here and jump on the Expo map, and we'll go to the Convention Center. And now let's pretend that really what it is I've got my convention set up for next year in Baltimore. But the year after that, I want to look around on the East Coast and I want to just filter out those particular exhibitors. So I can hit the filter key here by category. And we're going to drop down here to the facilities of the convention centers and notice what it did. It highlighted all those for me. So let's go visit Meet AC and add them to our quick list. Real simple. Tap the star. And how about New Jersey Convention Center? And we'll tap on that and add them to the star, add them to the quick list. And now let me jump out to the quick list. Notice it's added 2 more for me. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and route to AC. So from Visit Baltimore, it's taken me right over to Meet AC. And then I'm going to go from there over to the New Jersey Convention Center. Now, additionally, I can use this quick list for our gamification features, routing people around for a scavenger hunt, or our audio tours where it's like a museum tour that will route them around as well. We have a lot of customers who also do pre-show planners and set up schedules ahead of time. We can import in those particular schedules from the pre-show planner and have it all ready to go for those people who have that already set up. This feature is just a sample of how Core Apps approaches innovation inside of our products. This feature is built to be used in combination with other features within our entire app. It solves a real need for the industry and something you will not find in another app. We thank you for your consideration, and we look forward to any questions that you might pose with regards to this particular feature.